In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications in Microsoft Outlook to make sure you stay on top of all your important emails and calendar events without missing a beat. Whether you're managing a busy work schedule or just want to ensure nothing slips through the cracks, following these simple steps will have your notifications up and running in no time. First, let's begin by navigating to your Microsoft Outlook account. You can do this on your computer by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Microsoft Outlook. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your credentials if you're not already logged into your account. It's important to note that ensuring you are logged into the correct account will help you receive notifications for the right emails and events. Next, locate the Settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol, usually found in the upper right corner of your Outlook interface. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Under this menu, you'll want to select the General option. The general settings allow you to adjust various aspects of your Outlook experience, so it's a great area to familiarize yourself with for future customization. After clicking into General, you should see a list of different settings you can tweak. Look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is the key area where you can enable your notifications. It's designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, so you should see options related to how you'll receive alert signals from your Outlook account. From this notification section, you'll see an option to toggle notifications on or off. Go ahead and toggle on the Notifications in Outlook option. Turning this feature on means you'll no longer need to routinely check your mail manually, as Outlook will ensure you're alerted whenever necessary. Having notifications enabled is particularly useful when you're working across multiple tasks but need to stay informed of new emails, upcoming meetings, or any changes happening in your calendar. Once you've toggled on the notifications, that's essentially it. You're all set up, and your Outlook will now send you alerts based on the criteria you've specified. If needed, you can return to this settings area anytime to make further adjustments or refine your notification preferences to better suit your needs. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to ensuring you never miss out on critical Outlook alerts. Stay organized, stay informed, and let Outlook keep you looped in on all your important communications. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you manage your day more efficiently.